Okay, welcome to the next class of tissues. We are doing tissues of biology class 7 chapter 1. Okay, with last class we discussed about permanent tissue, that there are of two types, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Now in this class we will discuss about simple permanent tissue completely. In the next class I will be discussing about complex permanent tissue. Okay, simple permanent tissue. Now simple permanent tissue is again of two types, that is protective tissue and supportive tissue. What is protective tissue? Protective tissue, they consist of cells. Which kind of cells are present in protective tissue? Protective tissue consists of cells of thick walls. Those are of thick walls found on stems or leaves. So these types of tissue are present on stems or leaves. Okay, they are called protective tissue, where the cells are of thin wall. Next, supportive tissue. Supportive tissue consists of now three kinds, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Okay, now protective tissue, supportive tissue is of three kinds: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. What is parenchyma? Parenchyma is a type of supportive tissue which consists of cells of thin wall, large thin wall. Note this point: large thin wall. Next, it has intercellular spaces. The cells have intercellular spaces in them. That is, the tissue is the cells of the tissue is arranged in such a way that they have intercellular spaces between them. They store food also and provide temporary support to the plant. This tissue provides support to the plant and also food. Example: the cells of potato. The cells of potato, they store food, also provide protection to the plant. Okay, so this is an example of supportive of parenchyma cells. Next is collenchyma. They are made up of living cells. Collenchyma is made up of living cells. Next, they help to support the plant parts. They support the plant parts. Next, sclerenchyma, composed of long, narrow, thick-walled cells. The cells here are thick-walled, not thin-walled, thick-walled, and they are long and narrow. Okay, they are dead cells. You have to remember that sclerenchyma consists of dead cells. Sclerenchyma is the only one cell of supportive tissue from simple permanent tissue which consists of dead cells. Note these points. Next, they provide strength to the plant. Okay, they provide strength to the plant. Sclerenchyma cells provide strength to the plant. Okay, this is about simple permanent tissue. In the next video, I am going to discuss about complex permanent tissue. Thank you.